Assalamu alaikum audience. So today I will discuss lecture number 81 and I have collected all these vocabulary from Dawn newspaper. So these vocabulary will help you in MPT, CSS, PMS, FIA, FBR, IB, custom, NTS, ETA and many more examinations. It may be descriptive test or one paper test. So the first one is umpteen. So a lot of or very much. Next one sneak up. So to approach someone quietly and in a secret manner are, are in a clandestine manner. Next one, cognizance. So knowledge or awareness about something. Next one, entrench. Establish an attitude, idea, habit, or belief that is very difficult to change. Next one, maneuvering. So clever, skillful. Next one, silly. So to spoil or reduce the value of something. Next one, beset. So to effect in an unpleasant or harmful way. Next one, torment. So severe physical or mental suffering. Next one, at the helm of. So in charge of an organization, project or a school. Next one, a hype. So intensity publicity or promotion. Next one, glitch. So a small problem or defect that stops something working successfully. So to hinder. Next one, convoluted, complicated, extremely complicated and difficult to follow. Next one, bedevil. So to cause a lot of problem over a long period of time. Next one, seminary. So a college where priests, ministers and rabbis are trend. Next one, behead. So cut somebody head off, especially as a punishment, and this type of punishment is currently practiced in KSA, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Next one, pusillanimous. So frightened to take risks. Next one, coy, reluctant to give details about something regarded as sensitive. Next one, convene, so to come together for a formal meeting. Next one, stewardship. So the act of taking care for or managing thing, property or an organization. Next one, bland. So not saying anything very interesting. Next one, stumble. So to make a mistake and stop while you are doing something. Next one, at a snail pace. So very slowly in a sluggish manner. Next one, disgruntled. So annoyed or disappointed because something has happened to upset you. So there are many disgruntled group in Pakistan like BLA, BRF, like that. Next one, take up. So to start to do something, especially for pleasure. Next one, arrive. So something very common. Next one, snarl up. So a traffic jam, and it's a common day-to-day phenomena in Pakistan, especially in metropolitan cities like Karachi. Next one, desecration. So blasphemy, uh, which is punishable in Pakistani law or in a Pakistani statute. Next one, profanation, sacrilegious or sacrilege, irreverence or defamation. Next one, stash. So to store something in a secret or in a safe place. Next one, remittances. So money sent in payment or as a gift. So majority of the Pakistani revenue come from remittances because there are a lot of Pakistani diaspora in different countries of the world. When they earn money and they want to send money to their home or native country, so such money or income are called remittances, and the last one is usurp. So to take somebody position or power without having a right. So it's all for today, and if you people have any questions, so ask freely in comment section. You can also join my WhatsApp channel, and if there is any suggestion, so you people are more than welcome, and stick to Dawn Times for more videos and updates. Thank you and good luck.